Hi, it's Kevin Greenough from Blum Canada, speaking to you from our showroom in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. Today we are actually going to go through the full process of the planning and design, the manufacturing and the installation of hardware for the new Pocket system that we call REVEGO. We're going to do today a Duo system as well as an Uno system, the Duo being a double door system. Here we're showing it in our showroom as an environment that could be multifaceted, and we're going to show you how to close the doors. All we got to do is just give a slight touch to the fronts, and with no electricity, this is all pure mechanical. The doors start to close on themselves. I will finish it by closing it, and with our REVEGO Uno, same situation. I push on the doors to get it activated, and I will finish it by closing it. From there, I have taken whatever application I may have had, whether it be a laundry, a home office, a kitchen, an entertainment unit, and I've created the perfect wall hiding everything behind it. So now I got a nice, beautiful environment around me. To get into the application, I'm going to push gently on the doors. I'm going to guide the Duo door system into its pocket. As well as the Uno, push to release, and the tip-on for doors is going to release it from the top, and I put it back in its pocket. And now we're going to show you how to plan and design a REVEGO Duo and an Uno together. We're also going to show you the manufacturing and the assembly and the installation of both systems in our training room.